We got a new video. Railfanning the CSX A&WP subdivision, February 8, 2026. We got a CSX intermodal train coming with a rebuild trailing, 7320 is trailing, with an amazing horn show with Railfanning with Ryan. Ryan the Red Railfan on YouTube. Definitely go check his videos out. He makes some good ones, and we love Railfanning together. I wish that was a line too, but yeah. There's someone filming on that bridge over there. Locomotive out the door. That's funny. Interesting. Dang, there's a lot of those. Dang, there's a lot of these things. That one looks brand new. There's the end. There's a lot of those.